Are you making these devastating trading mistakes that might be sabotaging your success? Here are 9 critical trading mistakes you must avoid. Mistake 1. Trading against the trend. Remember, the trend is your friend until it bends. Mistake 2. Overcoming the fear of losing money. Start small, only trade with what you can afford to lose. Mistake 3. Exiting profitable trades too early. Let your profits run with a trailing stop loss. Mistake 4. Early or late entries. Entering too soon or too late often creates unfavorable risk-reward ratios and exposes you to losses. Timing matters. Mistake 5. Not believing in your system or yourself. Backtest your strategy to build trust and confidence. Mistake 6. Bad risk-reward ratio. Never risk $100 to make $50. Aim for at least 1 to 2. Mistake 7. Breaking the rule of 1 trade a day. Overtrading leads to emotional decisions and losses. Mistake 8. Not following your defined system. Stick to your plan. Emotions have no place in trading. Mistake 9. Poor discipline with exits. Know when to hold, when to fold, and when to let go. Want to know how to fix these mistakes and become a disciplined trader? Stay tuned. Trading success is about consistency and discipline, not perfection. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Let me know in the comments. And make sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram using @SaturnTrading handle.